Next part is E. 3/5 minus 4/15. Again, first of all, we will find LCM. 5 and 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, and then 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. Our common denominator is 15. So 3 into 5 over 5 in, sorry, 3 into 3 over 5 into 3 minus 4 into 1 over 15 into 1, because there is already 15. 3 3s are 9 over 15 minus 4 over 15. 9 minus 4, this is 5/15 is the required answer of E part. Next, F part is 3/4 minus 3/10. First of all, again, we will find LCM of both denominators. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 5 as it is, and then 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10, and 10 2s are 20. So the common denominator is 20. On the table of 4, 20 will come at 5. So 3 into 5 over 4 into 5 minus 3 into 2 over 10 into 2. 3 5s are 15 over 20 minus 3 2s are 6 over 20. Now subtraction. 15 minus 6, 9/20 is the required answer of part F, question number 1, page number 26. H part is 3/8 minus 1/4. Again, first LCM. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 as it is. 4 2s are 8. 3 multiplied by 1 over 8 multiplied by 1 minus 1 multiplied by 2 over 4 multiplied by 2. 3 1s are 3 over 8 1s are 8 minus 2 over 8. Subtraction. 3 minus 2 equals to 1/8. Last part of this question, I part. Which is 7/12 minus 1/2. 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 as it is, and 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 7 into 1 over 12 into 1 equals to 1 multiplied by 6 over 2 multiplied by 6. 7 over 12 minus 6/12. Subtraction. 7 minus 6, 1/12. This is question number 1 on page number 26. Next, page number 27, question number 2. A part is subtract 4 1/2 from 9 1/2. Now the mixed number form is given to you. First of all, we convert this mixed number form into improper fraction. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 19/2 minus 10 4s are 40, 40 plus 1, 41/10. So first of all, again LCM 2, 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 2 5s are 10. So 10 is our common denominator. 19 multiplied by 5 over 2 multiplied by 5 minus 41 over 10 into 1 into 1. So 95 over 10 minus 41 over 10. Subtraction. Five minus 1 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. Answer is 54/10. Now you can see that the question is given to you in the mixed number form. So we have to also present our answer in mixed number form. To convert the improper fraction into mixed number form, we will divide 54 inside and 10 outside. And 5s are 50, 4 remaining. Now, first of all, place a line. The denominator will be same, and your remainder will be numerator, and your answer will be side number. So the required answer is 5 whole 4/10. Next part is C. What is 7? 3/5. Take away. Four 3/10. 7 3/5 minus 4 3/10. First of all, converting into improper fraction. 5 7 are 35. 35 plus 3, 38/5 minus 10 4 is 40. 40 plus 3, 43/10. Again, LCM. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 1 added this, 2 1s are 2. 5 into 2, so 10 is our common denominator. 38 multiplied by 2 over 5 multiplied by 2 minus 43 multiplied by 1 over 10 multiplied by 1. 38 into 2 is 76 over 10 minus 43/10. Subtraction. 76 minus 43. 6 minus 3 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. So 33/10. Again, converting this fraction into mixed number form. 33 inside, 10 outside. 10 3 is 30 and 3 remaining. So first of all, place a line. Denominator will be same. Remainder upside and answer on side. This is part C of page number 27, question number 2. Last part of this question is A. I'm going to solve for you. What is difference between 4 5/6 and 2 1 by 4. 4 5 by 6 minus 2 1 by 4. Converting into improper fraction, 6 into 4 is 24. 24 plus 5, 29 by 6 minus 4 to the 8, 8 plus 1, 9 over 4. First of all, we will take LCM, 6 and 4. 2 3 the 6, 2 2 the 4, again 2, 3 as it is, 2 1 the 2, and 3 1 the 3. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12. 12 is our common denominator. 29 multiplied by 2 over 6 multiplied by 2 minus 9 multiplied by 3 over 4 multiplied by 3. 2 9s are 18, 2 to the 4 and 1 5, and 6 2s are 12 minus 27 over 12. Subtraction, 58 minus 27. 8 minus 7, this is 1, and 5 minus 2 is 3. 21 over 12. Now converting into mixed number form. 12 2s are 24. 11 minus 4 is 7. Again, first of all, the line denominator is 12, remainder is your numerator, and side number is 2. So the required answer is 2 whole 7 by 12. This is page number 27, question number 2. Moving on, page number 28. Question number 1 is change these into mixed numbers. A part is 13 by 4. To convert this mixed improper fraction into mixed number form, first of all we will divide 13 inside and 4 outside. 4 3s are 12. 1 remainder. So 13 by 4 equals to, first of all, a line. Denominator is same. Remainder is numerator and side number is 3. B part. 28 over 3. Again division. 3 9s are 27. 1 remainder. So 28 over 3 equals to, denominator always same. Remainder is your numerator and 9 is your side number. C part is 45 over 7. Again, first of all division. 7 6 are 42. 3 is remainder. 45 by 7 equals to 7 denominator. Remainder is your numerator and answer is your side number. I have done 3 parts for you and last 3 parts are for you. You have to solve by yourself. Homework, page number 26, question number 1 on copy, page number 27, question number 2 on copy, and page number 28, question number 3 on copy. This is your homework. So guys, please write your homework neatly and accurately. Yes, boys, any problem in the questions?
No, sir.
Will you please speak one by one?
Hello हुआ कर दिया उन्होंने